JSD as a one-stop procurement platform for automation equipment in the home hardware industry. We see the challenges faced by traditional home hardware production, with R&D as the win, inspiring new ideas. Recruit professional and technical talent to form a lead R&D team. With advanced concepts and ideas, we seize the innovation commanding heights in the field of automated production. Bring the ultimate product experience and excellent service to every customer with an attitude of leading the future. Became a deep cultivator in the R&D manufacturing of automation equipment. Every research development improvement is the code that leads to efficient production to new height. Since establishment, JSD has launched a series of semi-automatic and fully automatic assembly equipment in the field of hinges, slides, and bathroom hardware with technological innovation, serving home hardware manufacturers. Our hinge series integrates precision high-speed stamping mode, stamping and typing, normal hinge fully automatic assembly line, hydraulic hinge fully automatic assembly line for one-way hinge, hydraulic hinge fully automatic assembly line for two-way hinge, 90-degree hinge fully automatic assembly line, American type hinge fully automatic assembly line, CCD visual inspection, atomization treatment to fully automatic packaging line, constructed a complete production process. For slide series, we provide a full set of production equipment from roll forming, stamping to fully automatic assembly. We proved complete coverage of essential home hardware production equipment. JSD dedicated to build a one-stop purchasing platform for automation equipment, focus on meeting customers' production needs with a full range of service support. From manual assembly line to automated production, from inefficient completed to efficient exquisite, we broke the deadlock of traditional industrial, developed steadily, with innovative and flexible production mode. We adhere to the concept of high-efficiency production. Create a one-stop automated production power and path. Let each hardware part to be processed, improved, and strengthened between different precision instruments. We fully meet the production needs of every customer. We help factory transfer from traditional and single to customized, automated, and intelligent with diversified production modes. We provide tailored, personalized services to solve every customer's automated production needs and problems accurately. Provide solid support for home hardware manufacturing equipment. We firmly believe that achieving success for a customer is achieving success for ourselves. JSD, more than a one-stop purchasing platform for intelligent automated equipment in the home hardware industry. We are excellent equipment manufacturer that can meet the needs of modern factories and meets the needs of personalized intelligent requirement users. We also a company that can flexibility adjust a production line and truly integrated with users.